In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PDF in n8n. This process will involve using apitemplate.io to generate your PDFs, while n8n will handle the automation. The steps are straightforward, and by the end, you'll have a seamless PDF creation workflow. Let's dive right in. To get started, the first thing we need to do is create a PDF template in apitemplate.io. If you haven't already signed up for an account there, now's the time to do so. Once you're logged in, head over to the Templates section where you'll create a new PDF template. This template will act as a blueprint for your PDF documents, so design it with the information you plan to generate in mind. Take advantage of the tools provided to make your template visually appealing and structured. You'll be able to define where your data will be placed and customize the look and feel to suit your needs. With your PDF template ready, the next step is to set up API template credentials in n8n. Open your n8n instance. If you're new to it, n8n is a well-rounded automation tool that lets you connect various apps and APIs to automate workflows efficiently. Navigate to the Credentials tab and add a new credential. You'll want to search for apitemplate.io from the list. Have your API key ready. You received this key when you registered at apitemplate.io. Enter it into the necessary fields following any guidance provided by n8n to ensure your credentials are correctly configured. Proper setup here is crucial, as it will allow n8n to communicate with apitemplate.io to generate your PDFs. Next, it's time to build the workflow in n8n. Begin by creating a new workflow from your n8n dashboard. To pull in your data, you'll need to start with a trigger node. This node could be anything from a simple manual trigger to more complex triggers like receiving new data in an app you're integrating. Once the trigger is in place, you'll add an HTTP request node. This node will communicate with apitemplate.io. In this HTTP request node, you'll define the endpoint URL where your data will be sent. Make sure to customize the request with your template ID and any necessary parameters that match the structure of your PDF template. This ensures that the information gets formatted correctly in your document. Finally, give your workflow a test run. Make any necessary adjustments and save everything once you're satisfied with how it operates. With your workflow live, n8n takes over, automatically sending the required data to apitemplate.io whenever your trigger conditions are met. Your PDFs will be generated in the background, saving you valuable time and effort. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up a streamlined process to create PDFs using n8n and apitemplate.io. This automation not only improves productivity, but also ensures consistency in how your documents are produced. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more practical tech tips.